Clean brushes and rollers immediately after painting baseboards above carpet to prevent permanent drying and carpet contamination. After removing excess paint by wiping brushes and rollers on a rag or cardboard, soak them in warm water if you used water-based paint or in the manufacturer-recommended solvent for oil-based paint for 15 to 30 minutes to loosen remaining paint. Work a mild liquid soap into the bristles or roller nap with your fingers or a brush comb, then rinse under a steady stream of warm water until the water runs clear. For rollers, squeeze repeatedly rather than spinning to avoid splashing. For stubborn paint on synthetic bristles, use a stiff brush or an old fork to gently separate fibers and release trapped paint, and for natural bristles, handle them more gently to avoid damaging the tip shape. Always squeeze out as much water as possible with a clean cloth and reshape brush tips to their original profile before drying. Hang brushes by the handle or lay them flat with the bristles over the edge of a counter so air circulates. For rollers, remove the core from the nap if possible, rinse both pieces separately, then roll the roller cover across a clean towel to remove excess moisture before air drying vertically. Store completely dry brushes and rollers in a cool, dry place, with brush tips covered by a sleeve or rolled in paper to preserve shape for the next use. Common mistakes include letting paint dry on tools, which ruins bristles and roller nap, so always clean before paint sets and use the right solvent for the paint type to avoid swollen fibers. Another problem is rinsing tools over a sink that drains to carpeted areas or lawn, which can stain. Instead, capture rinse water in a bucket, let solids settle, and dispose according to local guidance or dry and discard solids in trash. People also store tools while damp, causing mold and odor, so thoroughly dry and reshape brushes and ventilate roller covers until fully dry before putting them away. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors and learn practical project tips that relate to cleanup and tool care for painting and many other home jobs. We also support contractors by listing projects and fostering a discussion community where we share methods, ask questions, and exchange real-world advice.